course. What is this term? Fuzzy logic? I mean, my turtle is fuzzy. Is it like, what's fuzzy logic? Is it like my fuzzy turtle being logical?
No, of course not. It has nothing to do with your fuzzy bear.
Look in your textbook. What does it
say?
say?
I didn't get it.
What does it say?
Okay. So fuzzy logic is a mathematical method of handling imprecise or subjective information. The basic approach is to assign values between 0 and 1 to vague or ambiguous information. The higher the value, the closer it is to 1. Then you would construct rules and processes called algorithms to describe the interdependence among variables.
So, what don't you understand? The prof explained it in class.
Yeah, he gave an example too. It's like when you're playing a shooting video game, you're not exactly shooting at the person or the object on the screen, but the system will allow you to shoot because it will assume what you want to do.
So I also have another example. You know how rice cookers work? They actually use fuzzy logic too, did you know?
Really?
Oh yeah.
The rice cooker has a computer chip that allows the rice cooker to make judgment calls whether the rice is ready or not. It is based on variables such as humidity, temperature, and pressure, and there are rice cookers that allow you to make different rice such as porridge, mixed rice, brown rice, and white rice using fuzzy logic.
So I'm gonna read more about it on his website. So e-commerce prof.
See? That's fuzzy logic too.
How?
Google uses fuzzy logic when you misspell something in the search engine. For example, if you typed e-commerce prof, it would search for professor or e-commerce. In this case, it would probably show you searches for e-commerce prof, which is probably what you were looking for.
Did I spell commerce wrong?
Yeah. It's a good thing you're in management and not commerce. I hope you do know how to spell management, do you?
I know how to spell management. M-E-N-G.
So wait, what does fuzzy logic has to do with the course? Because rice cooker, Google, and video games? I thought we were supposed to learn about management information system.
Well, businesses use fuzzy logic too to be more effective and efficient. Well, businesses use to calculate ratio, goodwill, and credit score.
For example, when you go to the bank for a loan, the loan officer will enter factors into the system in order to build your credit profile at the bank. Factors could include income level, age, your assets and liabilities, your job position, and various other factors. Each of those factors have different weights when compiling your credit profile. Fuzzy logic is used in the computing process for assigning different levels of importance for each factor. Rather than yes or no, this type of decision-making software also deals with maybe and sometimes. This process of thinking helps business decisions to be more efficient.
Fuzzy logic also has a lot of limitations. For example, even if you're a good person, you still may not be able to get a loan from the bank. Moreover, it is also imprecise. Say, for example, if we want to cut a diamond, we cannot use fuzzy logic systems, as it would give you a range of values. But if we use a precise model system, that would be better. Say, for example, if we wanted to cut 10 mm off a diamond. A precise model will give you exactly 10 mm, versus a fuzzy logic may give you a range of numbers which may not be as effective as a precise model.
Yeah, it's a fuzzy world out there.
Yeah, something like that.
Pizza and pasta with the band playing Sinatra, nothing else can ever compete. Like a two-piece puzzle, they don't even come close with you here in my arms.